Hello everyone, let's talk about this grounding workshop coming up on September 21st. This is going to be 1.5 hours. It'll be from 7:30 until 9 p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. I am on Moncton, New Brunswick time in Canada. It's 55 Canadian, which is amazing, and this is going to be recorded for my VIP members as well in my membership group. If you want to join there, that's $55 a month. Cancel at any time. So many programs, so many updated things that you can get. If you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out. All right, so the first thing that's coming up for this workshop is emotional drain and emotional vampire. So for people that don't know what that means, it just means when you're a sensitive person and you work really hard to be positive, you might have people who kind of bring you down, and it's not just because of their personality, it's basically because they're not clearing their energy, or they're always choosing to look at things negatively. Sure, sometimes that's personality, but it's not so much. We often won't get drained by someone because they have a negative outlook naturally. It's when they're making those negative choices for themselves and for others on a continuous basis, and also not clearing their energy. So I wrote down negative emotions, digging deeper on that, and learning tools. The second portion of this is going to be motivation. When we have low energy, when we're looking at things negatively, when we are the emotional drain, etc. So paying close attention to that, and how like negative equals negative essentially. So more law of attraction, working a bit more with how to raise our vibration, which I think would be great for some of my clients that I've been working with recently who are really desiring to raise their vibration. But again, these are going to be tools that'll be helpful for you. And then the third component of this, because we only have an hour and a half, I want to get as many things in there as I can while still making sure that you guys understand and that you're able to apply this into your everyday life. This is going to be a very beginner level, by the way, so if you're extremely advanced, I would suggest grounding is like kind of the starting chapter of doing any type of like healing. So yeah, if you're already way there, then don't come to this. Pulling energy down and going inwards, this is really just talking about people who really struggle with healing themselves. Maybe you are a healer. See, this is where it could be good for you. And you need to kind of like where you have a lot of emotional vampires in your life, maybe perhaps you help those people. This will be really great. Again, people who work in the public, people who are like over enthusiastic, they're always like bubbly and chirpy. However, again, that over everything, overdoing, overachieving, again, perfectionist, things like that, this would be great for you. So I guess this class is for anyone, because you also get to create it when you're in our group. It's over Zoom, and as of right now there are only 2 people, so it's a great time to come in and get a lot of attention. So if you want like a lot of support, you will get it. If you want to stand back and just listen, you don't have to show your face either, and just be a part of that little circle tribe thing. All right, take care and bye for now. Thanks for watching.